students. Hope you all are well. This is Shweta Mitra, lecturer, Department of Agricultural Studies, Milestone College, Uttora, Dhaka. Now, you all are welcome to my today's discussion class.
Today we will discuss about experiment number 3, and the name of the experiment is a fish farm report submission. From the experiment number 1 and 2, you already knew that you have to use only right side page of your practical notebook for both writing and drawing, and make sure don't use left side page. For drawing, you must use pencil. In this slide, you can see an image of your practical notebook page. Here, you have to write your experiment name, that is a fish farm report submission. And here, the experiment now, that is 3, then page now, and the date will be the submission date. Now, the principle of this experiment. Observation of farm is necessary for gaining practical knowledge about different types of fish farms. Daily activities and management of farm can be known from farm observation. Then, necessary elements: nearby fish farm, pen or pencil, and paper. These elements are required for data collection. Firstly, reaching the specific farm on a specific day before fixed time. Then, observe various activities of farm, like how they provide food. Then, discuss about the fish variety, size, number, and types of farming with the owner and note down. Then, learn about the situation, food, and management of the pond. Then, learn at what age and weight fishes are sold at farms. Then, learn about egg production rate and amount of the fishes. Then, learn about disease and disease management. Here, you can see some image of fish farm. First one is harvesting time of fish, second and third one is feeding procedure, and fourth one is a normal view of fish farm. In your practical notebook, you can draw a fish farm with pencil, or if you want, instead of drawing, pasting can be done of a printed image. From the next page, you should continue with the rest steps of work. Here, learn about medicine and pond management. Then, observe keenly and carefully every activities of the farm. Then, learn about the farm from the owner and prepare a report by writing everything step by step. While observing, you should maintain some precautions, like don't scare the farm fishes, don't disturb the activities of the farm while observing. Now, the chart of observation report. First one is date of observation. In which date you will go to the farm, the date will be written here. Then, time of observation. For example, morning 10 a.m. Number 3, name of the farm, like Proshika Fish Hatching Limited. Number 4, address of the farm, Manikganj. Then, objective of a farm, production of fishes. Then, area of pond, 1 acre. Then, variety of fish, like Rajputi and Nilotica. Then, number of fish, for example 2000. Then, food management, purchase from market. Food management means where they can get food. Chart of observation report. Disease management, antibiotic and precautions. Then daily expense, for example taka 6000. Then daily income. For example, taka 10,000. Then monthly net income. For example, taka 1,20,000. Then problem in the farm at present. If you found any problem, you should write here like diseases. And for example, on disease of fish. Last one is comment. You should visit those farm where the management is good. So the comment will be good management. If you have any queries, feel free to ask your subject teacher. They must help you. My dear student, thank you all.